16 states asks Supreme Court to declare EFCC unconstitutional. The Supreme Court on Tuesday fixed October 22nd for the hearing of a suit filed by no fewer than 16 state governments challenging the constitutionality of the laws establishing the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) and 2 others. A 7-man panel of justice, led by Justice Uwani Abba Aji, fixed the date after the states were joined as co-plaintiffs, and leave was granted for the consolidation of the case in the suit, originally filed by the Kogi State government through its Attorney General, AG. The 15 other states joined in the suit marked SC/CV/178/2023 are Ondo, Edo, Oyo, Ogun, Nasarawa, Kebbi, Katsina, Sokoto, Jigawa, Enugu, Benue, Anambra, Plateau, Cross River, and Niger. Abdulwahab Muhammad San, who appeared for the Kogi State Attorney General, told the court that there were states seeking to be joined as co-plaintiffs. After the lawyers' submissions, Justice Abba Aji granted their prayers and adjourned the matter till October 22nd for a hearing. The suit comes amid the move by the EFCC to try the immediate past Kogi governor, Yaya Bello, for an alleged 110 billion naira fraud. Recall that in July, the Kogi State House of Assembly passed a bill for the creation of a state-owned anti-graft agency, which the state governor, Usman Ododo, immediately signed into law. While passing the law, the Kogi lawmakers said the state-owned anti-graft agency was not intended to rival the EFCC, the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission. We will continue to follow this story closely. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more informative content.